Hello BIM learners, this is Raj from BIM Modeler. I hope you are doing good. So in this tutorial I have very interesting tips or the use cases we have. I just opened the generic the door family, that whatever the door family template we have, I just opened it. You know that this is a default thing, it comes up. I can hide it temporarily by pressing the H key, and you can see that we have a door opening position and it's constrained. And if you need another opening, you can go ahead to create, and you can have opening option here, and you can make the shapes that you wanted, any shapes that you wanted. I can finish it. So the door opening or side window, something kind of shapes that you wanted, you can make it. What if you need a cutout in the wall, a small portion of the cutout in the wall? So if you are trying to do this here by using normal void extrusion, by setting out the work plane in here, something like this, setting out pickup plane, and I'm picking the face of the wall, and I make sure I'm drawing it on the face. So I don't recommend usually not doing the drawings on the 3D, but okay, for a use case and understanding, I'm doing this. Okay, if I make and finish, I can see that the void extrude is done and it's not cutting the wall. So if I try to manually cut it, it will create a error, which means we cannot have the opening door, the wall opening and the void cut in the same wall. So what we can do is we can select the cut opening by ourselves and we can delete it. So we can have as many number of void cuts, which means for door you can have your opening void like this. For the others, we can select and we can go ahead and cut the shapes that you needed. Like in this case, I can go ahead and draw the shapes that I needed, something like this. And I can cut the wall like this, and I can make another shapes, something maybe fill it at the corner, and finish it. We can make a cut over in this place. This is full throughout cut. And for the door, we can edit it. I can go ahead to the front view for easy understanding, but I like to have align command and align it with the frame, hoping that will be sufficient for the example. I'm not going to do any constraint as of now. So this is just an example for you to understand how it behaves. I'm trying to select the wall face at the bottom. And finish it, and we can go ahead and use the cut, as it's not going to cut it by itself. Okay, so like this, you will be able to create multiple voids in a case. So, not only in this door case, you may be creating a face-based family. It requires opening. You can use it, and you can go ahead and place them on the wall however you need it. And you can have this wall is changing in the shape. We have to constrain. The wall thickness is different. We have to constrain them and see how it behaves. So in this case, we have a cutout on the side here, and in this side we have a door opening, and inside we have a design kind of a odd shape, and which can be used for the designing purpose. So I hope this tutorial helped you in somehow in your design. Do subscribe and share it with your learning friends, and if you can possibly click the hype button so that others also knew it and able to learn from our channel. I'm creating a series of tips and tricks for the upcoming days. Uh, it's a challenge of 100 days challenge that I'm going to make. Do share it with your learning friends and see you on the next tutorial. And don't forget, if you have any questions related to the families, do comment it in the chat below. We do BIM families as a service. If you need family requirement, do share it with us in the bimmodeler.com. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.